Look me in the eye and say that.
What are you, my dom?
Is there something you'd like to tell me, Nicole?
You're an idiot.
I'm your idiot.
Hi, welcome to the grocery store. Do you have a store card? I'm in love with you! What?
I've looked to my right, Deji. Looked to my left, AJ. These partners stink of poo.
They're in an art exhibit now.
Why are you rushing me out?
I was gonna give you a hug, but no.
Oh, you were gonna give me a hug?
No, it's too late. No, it's too late.
No, give me a hug.
Go get that.
Give me a hug now. Thank you.
6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7
Lovers together. I need her. I need her.
Take some of this and calm me down. I will just come around. Just come around.
So cute. So cute.
Esse chip é muito perfeito. Por que você nunca olha pra mim? Melhor.
Blonde, skinny, rich, bitch. Blonde, skinny, rich, bitch. I'm blonde, skinny, rich, bitch.
Can I have a peppermint? You can have a peppermint. That's so hot for me. I don't like the peppermint. You don't like the
I love you. Will you marry me?
Oh yes, I will, King Von. As long as it's okay that I'm a boy.
Of course. Love is love.
Yes!
And I'll always be there for
King
you.
Von's gay.
President Business stole the Craggle, the most powerful object in the universe.
Blah, blah, blah. Proper name, place name, backstory stuff.
Is the special.
Сколько тебя?
Меньше, чем ты.
Сколько меня?
Меньше, чем ты.
If you land this, I'll give you a kiss.
Okay. Aw, damn. If you land this one, I'll give you a kiss.
Boy, it's late. Walk me home. Put your hand in mine. At the gate, stop and say, be my Valentine.
What the hell is this? When the sun did not rise and the people of the Thebi suffered from heat and mist, they prayed to the gods in their mercy. Celestial ship descended from the stars.
And I owe it to you.
No, you do not. That is an insane thing to say. You don't even know me.
You warned me, Derek. You're only part of this because it wanted me. It's not your fault you're here.
Please don't think you failed, Avery. When you read this, don't think you let me down. You didn't. And it's thanks to you and all that you did that millions live to see another day.
My princess, my remember. Will you ever let me back under your warm summer rain?
on, show yours. No, you first. Okay, both at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Dude, we were supposed to be doing portraits. Why would you add a scary clown through a window instead of a beautiful...
Gumising na may bulaklak. Ikaw?
Mas marami yan kapag hindi ka gumising.
Actually, madali lang pag-aralan yung Tagalog.
Sige nga, anong Tagalog ng clinic?
Pinindot?
Ako, Moscow Music.
Red flag. Kung saan-saan nakatingin.
Well, I bet you can't land a bottle flip with that water bottle right there. Okay, bet, let me try. Oh, wow, I missed. All right, my turn. I bet you can't kiss a guy right now. Preferably one in the same room as you. And you have to pretend that you like it. Is there something you want to tell me? No.
As for you, you idiot. Isn't it ironic that a king loses to a lord?
Frankie sent me a voice note the other day of him eating a pear. I legitimately thought he was sucking cock. This is on a Friday at 1:50 p.m. And then this is what I sent back.
You must be joking.
Whatever you do at the crossroads, keep going forward.
Goodbye, Lucy Gray. We hardly knew you. The capital would forget her. The districts barely knew her. And District 12 had never accepted her as one of their own. In a few years, there would be a vague memory that a girl had once sung in the arena. And then that would be forgotten too.
Oh, you just got juked.
Auf Wiedersehen. Got a harten fighter here. Got him in my sight. Got enemy infantry here. Got enemy special forces here. Heads up. Enemy portable radar mark.
Just roll it back to last Friday.
With pleasure.
Hey everyone, yeah, kick-ass party. Hey, what's up, Liz? Peter told me a lot about you.
No. This is just me messing around.
Shut up, y'all stupid, just kiss me. Shut up, y'all stupid, just hold my friggin' hand. Shut up, y'all stupid, just kiss me. Shut up, y'all stupid, just be my friggin' man.
What you listening to, son?
I don't think you like it.
Well, why not? I like this new generation of music.
These niggas out here snitching. They with the rat pack. Oh my god, what the
This is a book.
Avery does not know how to write.
like yours, hands like yours, fingers like curling but gold like yours. I want eyes to stare, hands to cry, and the feelings scared like you. I want hair like yours, hands like yours, fingers like curling but gold like yours. I want eyes to stare, hands to cry, and
Oh, that's... Fine, I'll turn it back up. Why is that fucking cat so cute, actually?
You know, you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes.
You tortured him.
Of course.
I'm not letting you die for me.
Whatever you do at the crossroads, keep going forward.
She whispers in my ear, take off your clothes. Lie down, baby, I should bang now. Maybe you can help me get what I want. Grab your little spine and tell me that you're mine. It's all about the game and I'll watch you fall. Yeah, I know that there's no pleasing you when you know that you're not teasing me. She's an absolute terror, absolute territory.
I'm posting this on my TikTok. I have no idea who this man is. He is lying. I have no idea who this man is. I'm posting this on every platform
I'm a
ever.
YouTuber. I'm a very popular YouTuber, and everyone on YouTube's gonna see this, even including the creator of Lemming, and even including the creator of this game. So he will ban you. So this guy, yeah, his name is Fishlegs. His name is Fishlegs. He's at the top. His ID is 112435.
애초에 당신을 도망치고 있는 것뿐이야. 단 한순간도 자신의 진짜 감정을 직면하지 않았지. 적당한 대의나 정의 같은 것에 매달리면 뭔가 해결되는 것 같았나요? 돌아온 게 그 개죽음이고 자유가 주어진다는데 우린 똑같이 외로울 수도 알고 인간 그 자체가 이 모든 괴로움의 주범이야.